What have we got?
It's the same character. It's called Tokai Teio.
What do you mean? These two are the same?
Yeah, they're the same character.
But it's a different series or what?
Yeah, different series. It's like, this one is 30-minute sister. Wait.
Yeah.
This one is 30-minute sister,
Yeah.
and this one is figure out standard.
Figure out standard. So which one's better?
Okay, that's the thing I'm gonna show you guys today.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
The difference between a 30-minute sister and a figure rise.
Yeah. They're like these two production lines are both doing the character figures, but it has slightly different like. So let's just open it anyway. Yeah.
You're gonna open it?
Yeah.
Do you wanna have a look on the top?
Yeah.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
All right. Here you go.
So this
I'll
one is
open this one.
Yeah.
Now you know that I'm going to mix all the parts up here. Don't
It's
you?
okay. I can figure out. Yeah. I know what. Yeah. Okay. So the biggest difference is the number of parts. As you can see, 30-minute sister one got much more parts in there.
A lot more parts in there, right?
Yeah. And another thing is they got a special material clothing. It's like the soft material.
Oh, that's the one you showed me with the soft material. Like
Yeah.
textile.
Yeah. With that one.
But it's more like a rubber, right? Or a latex.
Yeah. So it's hard to break.
Yeah.
So this one gives you like more range of movements on the legs when she's doing the running pose because all the sports girls are doing like they run very fast.
Is that the one that does handstands?
This one has a stand.
This one does a handstand.
Yeah.
Is that the one that you can model upside down? No.
No, not
Different one.
Yeah, different one.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and the size is actually a bit different.
The size?
Yeah, they're all 1/12 scale.
1/12 scale?
Yeah, 1/12 scale, but I think the figure out standard characters are like slightly smaller than 30-minute sister because you can swap all the parts like with other mono kits.
So they're more like universal size.
Yeah. So it's like more capability with
so
other.
all the option parts fit, right?
Yeah. All the optional parts fitting there, and you will get more face parts from the 30-minute sisters. You can do more customizing, but the figure out standard is giving you the water decals.
Water decals, did you say?
Yeah. This one, yeah.
So it's a water slide decal.
Yeah. So somehow, if you want to do like more,
It does still have 3 faceplates.
Yeah. So it gives you more like space for like customizing.
Okay.
And it's more like skill required.
Oh, more skill required for this one.
For this one.
Okay, where the 30-minute sister's designed just to assemble. And...
Yeah, it's easy.
Okay.
It's easier. Yeah. And I would say for the hair parts, it's like a very slightly different. So you can see like this is the back of the hair.
Yeah.
And the shape looks slightly different. You can tell from this one.
Which one's more detailed?
I think the figure out standard girl.
Figure out standard girl?
Yeah, they got more details in there. So if you're the fan for the like original series, get the figure out standard. But if you want to play around with other kids, get the 30-minute system.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So if you're true to the anime,
yeah,
you would get the figure eyes.
Yes.
If you want to do more customization or creation, get the 30-minute sister.
Yes, that's
because
correct.
all the different option parts will bolt on.
Yes. That's very up to like your personal choice.
Where's she running to? Why are they always running? They're always in a rush.
Yeah.
When I run, my face does not look like that. She looks so happy running. No?
They're horses.
Is she a horse?
Yeah. It's Japanese have the gambling on like horse racing.
Horse racing?
Yeah. That's
they gamble in these girls racing.
Yeah.
Really? Is that the series?
Yeah, that's the series about.
They race girls.
Yeah.
And model them as horses. Oh, they do too. Look at the tail. I just noticed here.
Yeah.
I thought you were pulling my leg because I'm gullible like that. Let me have a look here and show the people. It does actually look like a horse.
Yeah.
Look.
She also got the horse ears.
And horse ears.
Yeah.
I didn't notice. I thought they were like, I don't know, like cat's ears or something. I didn't know horse ears. I don't know the difference between cat's ears and horse ears. There you go.
Yeah.
You learn something every day.
Yeah.
Thank you for showing me that cool stuff.
No worries.
And now you're all done?
Yeah,
that's it for you?
Yeah, that's all.
Fantastic. So you're in store today. You're working again tomorrow.
Yes.
So come in and see Kawa. Look out for the Gundam. We're going to get some Gundam in during the week. Fresh Tamir in as well.
Yeah.
And all the Mr. Hobbies.
Yeah.
Your favorite, right?
They're just on the shelf.
They're just on the shelf now, right?
Yeah.
So make sure by Monday there's no more Mr. Surfacer left.
Trying to.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to go and get...